How to fix Facebook video lag. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix our video lag on Facebook. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're having lags while watching videos on Facebook, there could be a couple of reasons that this could actually be happening. Now, first of all, we can go ahead and then make sure it is not the issue with our network itself. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to mobile data and whatever else. If you're using Android, you can long press the Facebook app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to its app information page. From this page on, you can go to the option called storage and you can clear the cache files and you can also clear the data. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Facebook and check if it has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done all that, go to your menu icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the gear icon, which will take you to the settings and privacy page. Here, you can simply look for an option that says data saver or anything as such. So when you have options like data saver enabled over here, then in that case, it might actually have some of the issues. So I'll go ahead and go to search settings right here. Then in the search settings tab, I'll just type in data saver. And when I do that, you can see all of these little options, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then customize. So I can tap on the settings and privacy also. You can see cellular data usage. I can go to it and I can choose this to data saver and turn on autoplay or turn off autoplay and so on. So that's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.